Are you just tired of the Windows old looking cursor and you just need to make it be more attractive than ever? So you have clicked on the right video. So before starting the video, do consider subscribing to our channel and also click on the bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started with the video. First of all, we need to go to customcursor.com. This is the URL and this is the web page. You can see the URL. This URL is also been provided in the description box of this video. You can just check it out from the description, and you just need to go to the most bottom part of this web page and then download the application by just clicking on download. So I have already downloaded it, and by the way, this application file is really short. You can see that it is only of 3.6 MB or something. So you need not to worry even if you have a slow internet connection. You just need to install it. Like, the pop-up menu will be opened, and just click on OK and OK, next, and then finally click on install. You just need to click on install. So let's finish. Now this is the application being downloaded. So you need to just click on more cursor icon over here, and now you can just choose your cursor from here. So I'm just going to choose my cursor, which is in the origami section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just choose this from these cursors. These are all cursors. So this is the main cursor, this is the cursor, or whenever you hover on the link or something like this. That is an example over here. The main cursor is this bat is the main cursor, and whenever you hover the cursor over to a link, it will change to this vampire face. So you get the point. Now I will just choose this one. This seems good. So what I'm going to do is now to equip this cursor, you just need to click on this Windows icon, and then it will just be uploaded to the main application, from where you can just click on apply, and voila, you have your cursor changed. No worries, now your cursor is looking good. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.